Fire in the heart, love are the remedy. We rise in unity, naturally. Love is a river that flows through time, healing every corner of the wandering mind. Like sunrise breaking through the morning mist, your spirit touched mine, a blessing I couldn't resist. Your laughter, sweet like a breeze on the coast. Your kindness are the thing where you treasure the most. Stand by me and I'll stand by you, cause love is stronger when it's pure and true.
Hold on, love light rising, heartbeat harmonizing.
From Kingston hills to the ocean blue, me soul find peace when I'm close to you. Hold on, love light rising, real love balance certain.
Together we're stronger in everything we do. Your love embrace me like the morning dew. Your love embrace me like the morning dew.
Love for the journey, love for the climb. Lift me up steady and keep me in line. And you bring a vibe where divine and clean, bright like gold where you shine unseen. We no rush nothing, we build it slow. Plant up the seed and we watch it grow. Loyal from the heart, that all we show. Real connection, everybody fi know.
Love keep the fire blazing, guidance amazing, energy rising, forever we free. Hold on, love light rising, heartbeats harmonizing.
From Kingston hills to the ocean blue, me soul find peace when I'm close to you.
Hold on, love light rising,
Real love, feel on joy.
side by side we pushing through, cause love are the blessing we carry we through. Your love embrace me like the morning dew.
Keep it steady, keep it real. Yeah. Love of the power where all hearts feel. Forever rise.